This is the vectoring app that I've used, and I've already imported my image of the previous logo that I had used. Also, I've used a trace feature from vectoring app, which is on the right hand side, as you could see. I've just fast forwarded it, all of the process, and on the left hand side, if you see, there are like two arrows. So the first is for selection, and the second one is for you to figure out your vector points. So I've kept the image selected. While pressing the second cursor over there on the left hand side, I've selected the points wherein the parts which I have deleted or eliminated. And the similar process I've applied to this bandage point, the bandage image that I had taken. So I downloaded this image from Pinterest itself, and I just traced it out normally. And I've also used the similar process for selecting all of the vector points and adjusting wherever and whichever side that was required. Now this app is called Sketchbook app that I normally use for like detail oriented stuff, and I couldn't get through with vectoring as of at this point because I'm not yet good with that. So I switched on to Sketchbook and I started sketching off the outlines of my little ghost logo, and finally kind of like figured it out and was able to change the looks of it. Also remove the background since I didn't require it, and I wasn't able to highlight the details and kind of make those lines a little shorter from the ghost's kind of the veil, the flowy part of the cloth. Also changed its facial expression, like made the eyes a little big, like oval, and even the smile made it into a curved one, the meaning of all of this is basically my idea to create all of this was having the band-aid is kind of a way to symbolize the hurt, and the smile represents like, even though I'm a hurt soul, but I still would want to heal somebody else who's in need just like me. Now you could see that I was actually playing along with all of those flowers and stuff. This was I wanted to symbolize kind of each flower actually holds a meaning. So I wanted to use a flower as a representation of compassion, love, and trust that all of the audience of that particular page could connect with, and that it would be a representation in the hands of the ghost. So I tried playing along with a few flowers like the peonies and the heart shaped one that I have shown before, which was with a branch. But then it didn't really click much. So I also even tried, giving a prompt to the AI, and it turned out way too cute than I thought, and it would not really resemble the feelings of it, and kind of it wouldn't really match the outlook of the entire page. And I wanted something that was too personal and something that people could feel comfortable with while watching the logo and interacting with that particular page. So I really had to go through a few more of the flowers. Actually, those red ones that I'm doing right now is kind of also a way to symbolize the love and the compassion. So the band-aid on the ghost representing the hurt, the smiley face, he himself has overcome all of that. And the folded arms are more like a warm hug, a virtual hug to all of its audience. So that is what I quite like about my idea, and it turned out pretty well. So there are a few of the variations. You'll actually see that there are 4 or 5 variations that I've actually made. But to be honest, when I saw those flowers, it really didn't click much. And I kind of ended up with using only the ghost with closed arms and the band-aid itself. And that was something that I stuck on to, and I went ahead. I've actually finished a few variations of it, and particularly I stuck on to the most simple one with the band-aid, a smiley face, and closed arms. Thanks for listening. Hope you liked it. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.